think I found my new way to talk about this. And I'm just going to get right into it. No Mark Summers, no falafeling around. I'm just going to say it. Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. We are out here on a Friday, and if you're watching this in the realm of when it's coming out, it is pre-apocalyptic blizzard here, basically across the entire United States.
Man, I sure do hate the snow. Feet are froze and my toes are too. I hate, whoa!
So I am out and just trying to do what I can do. This is going to be a Cruisin with Corey quickie. This video was meant to be on topic B, but then topic A just came in, so we're going to just kind of put something together here in the bowl, mix it up, and see what comes out.
That was a lie.
If it's the first time I'm a dad, I basically am a stay-at-home dad, so I work mother's hours. I do these gig apps during the day. My wife does her corporate job, so we're just trying to fill the gaps in, make the money as we can on our adventures. Like, share, comment, subscribe if that's something that you resonate with. But it is 9:30 a.m. I am on my phone right now because I wasn't preparing to really record right now. I was going to do something later. I have, at 12:30 today, a $200 field study, which is being done at my house. Now, you may ask yourself, what is a research field study type thing? So there's multiple websites that I use, and you sign up for field studies. You sign up for research studies. You fill out a screener. The screener will basically qualify you or disqualify you. A lot of companies will spend a crap load of money to try to learn what the market wants, what the market is thinking. You know, there'll be certain things where websites will test out a new app, websites will test out new refinements to their site. Is this product gonna hit? Is this product successful? Sometimes successful. Sometimes they'll even send you free merchandise to test out on kind of like a trial basis, or even just try it out, give us feedback, and we'll keep it. I've actually gotten a free $1,000 Shark robot vacuum, well, my wife did, via one of these studies. So they are quite lucrative, they are quite nice, but I have one today, and I can't show you too much, but I'll just kind of show you an inkling of it. It's on the respondent.io platform. You sign up for it. It's not really something that will ever be oversaturated because, again, you're doing screeners. You are filling out information. How many people are in your family? Where do you live? What job do you have? What things do you like to buy? You know, they're trying to find the perfect person for these studies. And for every 10 that I don't qualify for, I qualify for one or two, and sometimes they're $10, sometimes they're $20. And in cases like today, $200. And sorry, I did just accept a Spark order, and I think I've found my new way to talk about this, and I'm just gonna get right into it. No Mark Summers, no falafeling around. I'm just gonna say it. We got ourselves a Magnolia, $77 Spark order, going a mile. Now that's the good. The bad is it's going to be a cart full of stuff, a very heavy cart, if they even have it, because again, this is a blizzard on pending. We're due for about 2 feet of snow, but it's all in one aisle, it's all in one section, so shouldn't be too bad, and shouldn't take me more than an hour. My buddy told me this is a really easy address, so but again, just going quickly back, the respondent.io platform. There's another one I use called D-Scout. I'll put that in the description. But again, I will get 10, 20, 50, 80, 100, $200 missions. Again, companies are just looking for market feedback on certain things. So highly recommend getting into those. But anyways, we are going to skedaddle our booty over to Walmart and try to get this order. It is a shitload of coffee related items. My buddy says he gets this order once a month, but I guess it's my turn. It's going to a business And oh my God, I got an $80 Stop and Shop. Again, people are desperate. The stores are gonna be nuts, so the orders are nuts. This is a very lucrative day. Let's go get it. All right, I started double bagging all of them. And then I realized I was going to be here for 12 years and it's right up the street. If they want me to bag them, I will, but I have a vibe that there's probably going to be some kind of cart or something there. So we'll figure it out when we get there. It's only a mile up the street. All right, that was pretty easy. She was a sweetheart talking to her, and she was really appreciative. So let's see what happens next. I got to go through the Spark board instantly because, excuse me, it is super busy, and I got 2 hours for my field study. All right, we just took another one here. So again, I wasn't even expecting to work today. I was expecting to go home and stay home, work on videos, and maybe get something local in my area. But then there was a bunch of incentives that came out. I knew the storm was going to make it busy, so I came out. We just got ourselves a pretty good one. I mean, it's not going to blow the doors off the world like the other one did, but it's a good order. It's only 10 items going to a business, $23. It goes to an incentive, 5 for 34, 7 for 50, which with the storm, it's actually achievable. I'll have to come out later tonight for it. But this will be good, and I would like to get a curbside going home if I could, because those are doing plus 12. So this will put us at a really good clip, over $100 for the day, and I have $200 that I'm making, plus whatever I make on a Friday night. Super, super lucrative. We'll need it because we're going to be snowed in all next week. So let's go running and do this. 2 Spark orders in one day. I haven't done this on a video in Lord knows how long. We're going to drop that one off to a business, and everyone's coming out today, and everyone's in a really good mood. I don't think I've ever had this many customer interactions. Well, I've done 2 orders, and I've had 2 customer interactions. So that's a record. But she was super nice, and we're heading back to the store, 10:42, so I'd like to get one more in. Preps me for my night shift to finish the incentive, and then puts me at a good number. And if we can get a curbside, I don't mind waiting a little bit. I got 10:40. I got to be home by 12:20. For my field study. Again, I'm making $200 on that. So I think we could pull something off. Again, this feels like the good old days with Spark, making money over $100 in about an hour and 10 minutes. So, and if I don't have anything on Spark, Instacart's bopping right now. So again, I'm going to be making money today. But remember, if this is the Massachusetts storm map, we're getting 18 to 24 inches of snow. So probably going to be shut out of business for about 2 to 3 days while the plows get situated and life regains itself. So good to make the money now because we ain't going to be making it next week. So let's go make something happen. Let's head back, let you know what I get. It's a big one here, so we're going to really have to rush this. $43. It's going in the direction I need it to go, but it is really going to push me to my time. So let's go run in and do it. All right, the massive crunch begins. We are loaded up. We're about 17 minutes I don't even remember what it was. It said we'd get there at 11:52, 11:53. The second stop is about, I don't know, house unit wise, it's a couple hundred units further down, but I think on this road it might be a couple miles. So we'll probably be done with the deliveries by 12:05, and based on where I think I'm going, it would take me 15 minutes to get home from there. I'm supposed to be logged into this conference thingy, this field study, by 12:20, so we're going to be as close to on the money as possible. And just to add further insult for injury right there. Oh my God! My battery is almost dead in the car, and I don't have a lot of gas. So literally stretched this as thin as we could. I meant to get gas on the way to start my day, but when I got that $70-something order, I wasn't risking making a pit stop. So this light needs to turn green because I need to go. I too take anxiety meds, and a day like today is making me need more of them. All right, green flag, let's go.
Got the flag in the air, green flag's in the air. Buggity, buggity, buggity. Let's go racing, boys.
Had to sketchily park to evade traffic on that one. Luckily, it's only 2 more minutes down to the next address, so time-wise, I think I'm going to be a little more comfortable than I expected to be. Let's go. Dropped off. That was a much more standard address, though I did have to walk up a hill, so there's some more steps in. That'll wrap it up for this shift. We're looking at getting home at 12:18, so just in the nick of when I need to log in is when I'll be home. So timing doesn't work any more perfectly than that. Here is what we made, and I'm going to include the $200 that I've made and the elapsed time for my field study. That will be from 12:30 to 3. So in the time of 9:30-ish to 3, here is what we will have made today between Walmart, Spark, and our field study. Hourly rate on that is absolutely fantabulous. So again, I highly recommend check the links in the description. Get yourself signed up for Respondent, also for D-Scout, and see if you can qualify for some of these. They're not all going to pay out $200, but some will pay out 100, some will pay out 50, some will be done in, you can get them done in 20 minutes and they'll pay out $20. So again, little filler ways to maximize your income. And stay tuned for part 2 of this. We're 3 out of 5 in our incentive. Will we finish it? How will the stores look tonight with the winter storm impeding the drama? It's so intense here on Cruisin' with Corey, and let's see what comes of it. But like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We just hit 1,100 subscribers, so our next big goal is 2,000, but let's get there in increments and have some fun. I am so close to buying a second camera, rather a second phone, so that I can live stream. I have to warrant it. I have to see how much, the YouTube revenue and all that stuff to warrant another expense. I really want to do it. Would you watch live streams if I did it? Again, let me know in the comments below. But this is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.